I'm Amir Padari, President of Licensed Engineers and Supervisors Federation, Malappuram district in Kerala. We are today having Wienerberger company in Kunagal. I think Wienerberger is a European multinational company. Is operated in 30 countries, around 200 factories. It's a good product, and we are already used, and we can more clients will suggest to this brand because it is quality wise, safety wise, and climate wise. It's a good brand. So we recommended this product will use for the every construction for partitions walls or compacting load walls, everything we can use this product. This factory also very safety measures. It's a stringent rules, good for work-related employees and visited like our engineers or contractors and everywhere. So that is a very good appreciated to these factories moments.